just love the old country? Love the old ways? There's some kind of simple purity to the old ways. Doing things old, slow way have a certain allure, a certain magic to it that makes it feel right. For those who lived in the quaint provincial small towns, this holds particularly true, especially when it comes to our food. Nothing complicated, nothing aloof or highbrow, just so simply pure. We can simply walk around the farms and gardens, find the most simple of homegrown produce, gather them and bring them to our kitchens, and create astoundingly simple yet amazingly delicious culinary magic. There's just something about doing things the slow way in the kitchen. It isn't just making a dish, it's putting our heart and soul into the food we create. It's sharing a little of who we are. It gives our creations character, soul. With the old ways, we become more creative. We make use of whatever it is we can find around the home, the garden, the farm. Be it a simple fruit, root, or leaf, it can be made part of the total package that is a dish filled with love. The simple acts of slicing, dicing, mashing, mixing, part of us becomes the dish. It is sharing our love with those we feed, the people we love most. Of course, that's our families, our friends, our communities. The old ways aren't just simply ways. It is our culture. They are who we are. They define us and thus make us whole. Makes us unique. So, for those who do cook in the old ways, our food becomes not just a means of sustenance. It is a way for us to nurture others, a way for us to say we care. Pouring in so much effort into creating a dish is like pouring in love and affection into the food. The food becomes more than just food. It takes on a noble purpose. It isn't just to feed. It's simply saying, we love you. Then, for those who savor what has been created, the experience takes on a greater meaning than just eating. It becomes a total experience, an experience that makes us feel that warm feeling of being loved, that feeling that can only be felt when you are home. Don't you just love the old ways?